Hi, my name is Michael Mullen with Anthrop Corporation, and I'm here to present to you our Steve Station furniture solution that we partner with HP for their radiology package. So what we have here is a Steve Station that's 5 feet wide, and it has all of the comfort features required for a really efficient use of a reading room configuration. It has dimming task lights, dimming ambient lights, and all of these are to make the read of the image as accurate as possible and as comfortable through the day as possible. The table goes up and down, has 3 preset buttons, acoustical panels to improve dictation, as well as it holds all of the equipment appropriately within the reading space. The monitors can go in and out, up and down, as well as it works with the cable management in use with the new Z series of HP workstations.